Alright, boys and girls, this isn't quite the after party yet, but I'm here at the Ace Cafe Orlando. They're having a bit of a car meet after the event, so there's a lot of cool things to see. This is Z4 M Coupe. We're going to come back to this one. I'm going to go around, check out the car show, and see what's inside. Maybe I'll grab a bite to eat.
You put it up to 4,500 RPM.
Alright, so over here is a Z4 Roadster. This is not a original Z4, as I thought it was actually a second generation. But looks like it's got a carbon fiber valve cover. It's got an AFE intake. This probably has a decent bit of mods to it. The thing about these N54 engines is that they could have anywhere from 300 horsepower to 1,000 horsepower. Though generally if they have stock turbos or modified turbos, no more than 500 horsepower. So the ones more than 500 or 600, they have a single turbo conversion. I really like this color. What's the name of this color? Sometimes BMW puts it on the fender there, but I guess not on this car. I don't know. But this is a really nice car. It's got Volt wheels. I think these are T37s. See a carbon fiber splitter right there. So this place has some pretty good bites. The Smokehouse Turkey Club. You get the bourbon chicken. Bad Idaho meatloaf. I don't know. So I decided to go with the bourbon chicken. Alright, boys and girls, dinner's over, and I'm walking straight over to the basement, which is where the Formula Drift after party is. Yeah. Pretty good food, good stuff. The chicken, the bourbon chicken was very moist. So now I'm just heading over to the basement. My buddy invited me. I got permission to park my car, to leave my car parked in Ace Cafe, so I'm just going to walk over there. It's about a half-mile walk, not bad, about 10 minutes, so let's go check it out. So I don't know if this is like a regular thing, but Orlando's actually got a pretty huge nightlife. I actually wasn't expecting this. I don't know if this is like a regular thing. They actually have the streets shut down, the cops are blocked off the roads and everything. It's kind of like a huge block party. I love it. It's not like Miami where it's just like a single strip or one or two strips of street. It's almost like the entire downtown Orlando city is just shut down just for this huge party. Insomnia. What's going on here? How much is the chocolate chunk?
Chocolate chunk?
Yeah.
181.
188?
181 with that.
I'll take it.
them.
that's-
I just threw them in.
Delicious.
319 is your change. Enjoy.
Thank you.
Thanks.
Oh man. It's like crispy on the outside. Gooey on the inside. Yeah, crispy on the outside.
It was fucking sexy, dude. It was like
What's your name?
Cody.
Tony?
Cody.
This is Cody? Tony or Cody?
Cody.
Cody, this is Cody. Cody, what do you do?
I work on the car.
He works on the car.
You need anything?
So if the car breaks, it's his fault.
Come on in.
If the car breaks, it's your fault, right?
It is on my fault, yeah.
Yeah, it's all his fault.
Yeah.
Who else is out here?
Kyle Moore.
How you doing,
AJ?
This is AJ. What else is going on here? This is
Ryan.
This is Jeff Jones. It says Jeff Jones on his shirt. So. This is Ryan.
Yeah.
What else is going on? Is this recording? I don't know. I think so. This is Rome, like the city.
From California, though.
He's from California, so he's not Roman, but he is Roman. All right, so I've gone upstairs to the attic. And a lot of the Formula Drift drivers are here. Jeff Jones, Carl Mohan. There you go. Alright guys, I'm here back at the Ace Cafe. Got back to the Mustang and I'm going to be heading to a hotel for the night. Just got a quick Airbnb, nothing crazy. You know, considering I'm going to be here tomorrow, maybe I'll hang around, maybe there's some Sunday festivities I can take part in. You know, I'm already here, I might as well. Got work on Monday, so let's do it. Peace. Oh, by the way, I just forgot. If you like that, be sure to hit like, subscribe. If you have any suggestions or anything you want to tell me, leave me a comment. And by the way, I really want to be able to cover media for Formula Drift next year. But in order to do that, I need to have a huge social media following. Otherwise, they'll just think I'm kind of, small potatoes. But I think I can really deliver to you guys some really awesome content. So be sure to like and subscribe. Hit me up on Instagram at Finish Line Factory. And check me out at Finish Line Factory on Facebook. So we'll do all kinds of cool stuff, more than just fittings and hoses, but I'll be stocking more items, more products, and I'll be able to bring more interesting content to you guys. So check that out, and thank you. Catch you later. Bye.